Hey, it's Gamori, and today we're going to be making the sandals for the Yukata Asuka cosplay. For Asuka's sandals, I started by just getting a base pair of cheap black foam flip-flops from Walmart. I know this isn't traditional Japanese footwear, but it will work for the sake of a casual cosplay. These particular sandals had some jewels around the edge, so I just took a seam ripper and removed them all so that we have a base blank pair to work with. Next, we're going to cut some strips of green cotton, the same that we used for the yukata, and we're going to fold the edges inward and press them down. Then we're going to wrap the cotton around the strap of the shoe and hand sew it into place. I find it easiest to start from the middle and work outwards, and then fold in the edges and sew them in place as well when you get to the ends. Now, you don't have to worry about this being too precise because this is for the shoe and really nobody is going to be looking at it, so you don't have to worry too much about having the fabric be smooth. Just do your best. Here's what it looks like once the fabric has been added, and with that, Asuka's sandals are done. For more Evangelion cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!